Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Force TV USA. Here's the breaking news from USA. The rare move comes as the president attempts to mend his poor economic image due to inflation and high prices at the pump. President Joe Biden announced Tuesday a rare move to tap into the United States oil reserves in an effort to tackle high gas prices and improve his economic record in the process. The US will release 50 million barrels of oil from the strategic petroleum reserve to address the mismatch between demand exceeding the pandemic and supply, according to a White House news release. The plan is being carried out in coordination with several other nations, including China, India, and the United Kingdom. The country consumed an average of 20 million barrels per day in 2018 and 2019, according to the US Energy Information Administration. Today's announcement reflects the president's commitment to do everything in his power to bring down costs for the American people and continue our strong economic recovery, the release reads. The reserve, which was created in 1975, holds about 606 million barrels of oil in locations on the Louisiana and Texas coasts, according to the reporter. This will be the fourth time a president has tapped into the reserve, with the latest release happening when Biden was last in the White House under President Barack Obama in 2011. In fact, former President Donald Trump just last year announced the federal government was buying additional oil to bolster the reserve in a time when American producers were struggling due to falling prices during the pandemic. Biden's move comes as he suffers from low approval ratings due to, at least in part, to the state of American economy, with inflation and high gas prices being major pain points. The average price as on Tuesday was just over 3.40 per gallon, according to AAA. A poll from the Washington Post released earlier this month found that 55% of respondents disapprove of the president's handling of the economy. Some glimmers of hope are on the horizon when it comes to gas costs. However, the Energy Information Administration said recently that it expects to see an oil surplus in 2022, which would contribute to possible declining prices. And White House, yes, while gas prices are much higher than they were a year ago, which was due to the coronavirus pandemic's impact on the economy, they have been on a modest decline recently, according to the administration. BN Das report for Shakti USA.